Hi, in this Inlinks Academy video, we're going to see how to automate your internal linking on Inlinks for your website. So I'm going to access an established project within of my Inlinks account for inlinks.net, which I have built for with 100 pages targeting the US market. So I'm going to access this project for inlinks.net. And then I will see what are the pages the system has analyzed within the project. So the first step to automate the internal linking is to associate your pillar pages of the project to their corresponding topics. Let's take an example here. So let's say this is this page about internal linking 15 benefits for your website's SEO. I'm considering this to be my pillar page about the topic of internal linking. So if I click on the target button, I will see the entities or the topics that have been recognized by the Inlink system within the content of this page. And from here, I would need to make the association with the most convenient topic. So I'm going to associate this with the entity of internal link. I'm going to select that, then click on close. Okay, so let's scroll a little bit down. I have this page about Semantic SEO best practices and how to implement it. I'm going to hit on target, and I'm going to associate this page with the entity of Semantic Web. I'm going to select that. Okay, also I'm going to see some other pages, pillar pages as well. Knowledge graphs, what are they and how do SEOs use them? If I click on target, I'm going to associate this with the entity of knowledge graph. Okay, I'm going to continue on with the last association here. Google knowledge graph explained. So if I click on target, I can see that there is an entity of Google knowledge graph with which I'm going to make the association. So I can continue on with the topics associations, but you get the idea. So you only need to target your pillar pages of the website. You don't need to associate all of the URLs within of your Inlinks project. So, and as we do these topics associations within of Inlinks, we can then go to filter this by target pages, and we will see that the system starts generating some internal links towards these target pages. So let's take an example with this page we have associated with the topic of internal link. I can see in this links column there are already 8 internal links placed. If I click on the 8, I can see some internal links coming from different source pages of the project and with the anchor text that is related to the topic that has been associated, which is internal link. Same thing as for this one I have associated with knowledge graph. You can see 15 internal links. Click on the 15. I can see different internal links with the anchor text that is related to knowledge graph. And by the way, the Inlink system leverages synonyms as well as parts of sentences as anchor text. So the system tries to vary the anchor text. Sometimes it could be an exact match of the topic that has been associated. It can be a synonym, or it could also be a part of a sentence that contains that topic. And the idea here is that the system tries to vary the anchor text as much as possible to make it appear natural for the search engine. Okay, so all these, as you configure your project within Inlinks, all these internal links will go live to your website, and this is where we speak about internal linking automation. So you just need to configure your project on the dashboard, and then what you would need to do after that is to install a JavaScript code which is unique to your Inlinks project, which looks like this. So this JavaScript code needs to be implemented on the site. And once it is validated, all these internal links will implemented automatically to the website. Lastly, I just wanted to show you this tab here, internal links, from which you can make some modifications if an internal link is not making any sense within a specific context. You also have the option to switch the links on and off here by a click of a button. And you can remove an internal link if it doesn't make any sense, or you can edit an internal link. You can change just by going to the source page, or you can click on edit links. And from there, you can just see where the interlink is coming from. And here you can change the anchor text. For example, let's see this one about semantic search works. I can click on that. Let's say I'd like to change something else. I can change understand entities and how semantic search works. And then click on OK. So that will be taken as the new anchor text. So this is a brief walkthrough on how interlinking automation works on Inlinks. I hope this is useful, and hopefully I'll be speaking to you very soon.